Hey all, welcome to the video. So here we are going to see how to build a Docker and push it to the Docker Hub. We have written the Docker file script and it is ready to be run there. Let's log in into Docker. See this is my Docker Hub repository. Here we are going to create a new repository that should align the command which we are going to give there. Speech AI app. This is the name I'm going to give it to that. This is the app I'm going to create. Let's create it and our repository is ready. So this is my account name. This is the repository. Let's get into the code. We have to give docker login successfully. Now we can run the same command push. We are trying to push this in the same repository name which we gave there. So that's why I made the command there itself and edited it there. Now we can run this. So again, let me say Docker buildx build platform Linux slash AMD Linux slash R64 T speech AI app latest push. So what this command says, we have Docker. So if you want to build a Docker in your Linux or your Windows system, it could be Docker build -t, your app name, your tag, and dot. But why you are making Linux and why you are making AMD and ARM64 separately means my Mac system works for ARM64. But in case if I deploy this in a AMD system which is allocated for me by the Azure, I can't make that run there. So it will be a huge mess there. So let me build multi-architectural Docker. So we are having buildx. This is the function which is going to build multi we have buildx build. So this will be giving multi-architectural Docker image. So that could be deployed in a VM which is having AMD and also it could be deployed in the ARM based system too. So now we are having this function. We have logged into Docker Hub. Let's push it there. See, we are having two different images built, but that is in a single image. We encountered with the error. So here I didn't mention my repository name. That is the username. So that is Ranga 2024. This works. Now you can see the image is pushed to the belonging repository. So let's see in the repository. Let's refresh this. And we got the latest image. So type OSS Linux and we get it here. So now we are going to test whether the image is pushed and the functionalities are correct or not by testing it. So to name your Docker image and the tag. Let's pull that. Yes. Now we got the image in our local. So this is the newer image Ranga 2024 slash speech AI app and the tag is latest. So let's check Docker images. Yes, we have the image. See, already these images are existing and the new image is here. Let's test it. Let's try to run this. So we pushed the image, we pulled it. Now we are going to test it. This loading percentage is for the base model which we kept in there. And the main reason to take this much time is that the model is huge than we think. See, here we got the link. Let's test it in the postman. We have this. We send this. We got a response.
Hey learners, what's up?
So if you want to just test it properly, let's make some changes in this. This is dry run for the Docker that we pushed earlier. Let's send this.
This is a dry run for the Docker that we pushed earlier.
So the script is running successfully. Hey, next we see in the Azure deployment.